we took a black marker. Now we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Circle shape. Then, we draw a kitchen chimney on the top of the house. We draw a big tree beside the house. This is the root of the tree. Now, it's time to coloring. We use blue color to color the roof, the top of the house. Blue color. This is red color. Here we use red to color the wall of the house. Red color. Red color. Red color. We use yellow to color the bottom of the house. Yellow color. We use sky blue to color the door of the house. We use purple and green color to color the window. Yellow color. Yellow color. Brown color. Here, we use green color to color the tree which beside the house. Green color. brown color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.